How to disable graphic acceleration in Brave browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off graphic acceleration in Brave browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, you will need to open up your Brave browser. After you open it up, you will need to open up its setting. For that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, then scroll down a bit till you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings and it should prompt you to the Settings tab. After you're on the Settings, on the left sidebar, scroll down till you find System. There you'll see System Setting. Tap on System Setting, and after you tap on System Setting, there you'll find an option that says Use Graphic Acceleration when available. So here, if it is turned on, simply turn it off and you will need to relaunch the app. So after you turn it off, you can simply relaunch the app and it's now disabled. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.